Good morning, everybody. Mike Vaki, Princetontrader.com, here for ntmarkets.com with your Tuesday morning pre-market webcast. Daily chart of the ES. Apologies to anybody that tweeted out to me yesterday. I was not feeling well, and by about 11 o'clock in the morning, I was off the desk. So apologies for anybody that I didn't get back to. I will try to get back to everybody today. What we saw yesterday, though, was a very typical trend down day. People don't get used to seeing trend down days because they've been a rarity in the market, since late 2012. The advanced decline line got beyond negative 400 on the indicator that we track, and it basically stayed there. So every rally was just a little pop, a little three-handle pop, and then new lows, and just rinse and repeat that all day long. What we're seeing now on the daily is we're seeing the Bollinger Bandwidth now starting to expand. It was at 1.55 yesterday. It's at 1.78, 1.79 today. And you can see that visually on the chart. You're seeing the bands start to spill lower. What I would expect to see, and I said this on Friday about the bullish case when we were up at 2014 half, when the bands were just starting to expand, and it very potentially could have been an upper Bollinger Band ride. If this is a head fake, today is the day. If this is a head fake to the downside, today will be a green day, and we will, the bulls will control the day. It'll be decidedly green, and we'll start that process of moving back up. If that doesn't happen, what we're going to see is the bands continue to expand. And the other thing you don't have to see today is this. It doesn't have to be a gigantic down day today. It doesn't have to be a gigantic down day. If we go down and touch the 1176 to 1175 area, and we're trading at 79.5 right now, then the band is touched, and we move on to tomorrow to see if it can ride. People fall into the trap of trying to talk themselves out of larger intermediate moves, just as those moves are about to begin. The best way to handle that is to keep your size small, okay, and control your risk. But if we start to engage ourselves with that lower band, maybe you can fade the band back, and if you're right, that's okay. But very rarely when the bands are this tight and we start to really interact with one of the bands on a 1 to 2 day basis, that move is going to run 5, 6, 7 days. That move is going to run 40 to 50 handles. And if you come in and you're just blind fading the touch of those bands because that's what's been working lately, you got to understand when the bands are this tight, they don't act like regular Bollinger Bands. They act like tight Bollinger Bands. So it's just trading price to price. But when tight Bollinger Bands start to expand, they continue to move in that direction. They move much farther, and it lasts much longer than people want to admit. And you can get yourself stuck in a very, very bad trade unless you control your risk. So I am currently short 91.5. I took some profit yesterday just in case this is a head fake, but I really don't intend to take much more because if this starts to run, I'm just going to let it work. But we have to see. Like I said, if this is a head fake, today is the day. All right, everybody have a good one. Follow us on Twitter at Princeton Trader. I will actually be on Twitter today. Check out the website, Princetontrader.com. Come check out the chat room. Come trade this stuff with us. Ton of new members this month. Ton of new subscribers. A lot of people tried it out. A lot of people came on board. So it's a great time to start. A lot of people are, learning the room, learning what we do, and you can all learn together. Okay, I will be back tomorrow morning with another webcast. Trade them well.